Who doesn't want to become rich? You, me, we all, right? To become rich, investment plays a very important part. People invest in gold, people invest in stocks, people also invest in property, and many of us started investing in cryptocurrencies as well. Now, from past few years, cryptocurrency trading has seen a very high growth, not only in India but around the world. Now, if you're watching this video for the first time, there is a subscribe button. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now, first of all, let us understand what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency or a digital currency that cannot be touched. How we touch our currency note, the piece of paper, cryptocurrency is an intangible money, or it cannot be touched. It is only seen online or digitally. It can be seen. There are many type of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin and Cardano, etc. Many different types of cryptocurrencies exist in this world. Now let us understand why cryptocurrency isn't trending these days, because few people have created a hype that if you trade cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of these coins, if you buy this cryptocurrency and if you sell after some time, within a very short span you will be earning very high. You will be earning huge amount by selling these cryptocurrencies. That is the reason the demand for cryptocurrency in the market increased. The supply was less. That is the reason cryptocurrency became a very huge thing and it became a trending thing in the market. Now, if you are someone who is planning to invest in cryptocurrency, then my friend, you must watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to share with you 7 points, very important points to remember before investing in cryptocurrencies. So the first point to remember is it is a very high risk investment. The price or the value of cryptocurrency increases spontaneously and it decreases also in the same speed. With someone's tweet or someone's social media post, the value or price of these cryptocurrency have seen drastic changes in the market. So the second point is, do not invest all your hard-earned money in cryptocurrency, because as I told you, it is a very high-risk investment platform because the price increases and decreases with the same speed. Invest only that much money. If that cryptocurrency crashes also, your invested money will not affect you or your family. So invest that much money only. Do not invest your hard-earned money or everything into cryptocurrency. The third point to remember is, as of today, investment or trading in cryptocurrency is legal in India, but we can't say what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow government may also ban all the transactions of cryptocurrency, or it may also stop or make trading in cryptocurrency illegal. So we can't say what happens tomorrow. So you should be prepared for all those kind of circumstances also. The fourth point to remember is, do not look at your friends or relatives' crypto investment and buy in a hurry. Do not do that. You learn what exactly cryptocurrency trading is done, analyze the market, and only then take a decision. Do not follow any crypto guru or marketing expert. Please understand this. You have to learn cryptocurrency strategies or the tips and tricks. You have to analyze the market and only then you take a decision. The fifth point to remember is, today Bitcoin, one of the cryptocurrencies, one Bitcoin price is approximately 26 lakhs rupees. One Bitcoin price is 26 lakhs rupees approximately. Now, lot of people may think that investing in cryptocurrency or buying Bitcoin is a very expensive thing. Of course, one Bitcoin is 26 lakhs rupees, but most of the people do not know that you can also buy Bitcoin in small fragments. Small fragments means there are so many cryptocurrency exchange mobile apps which will help you to buy Bitcoin in a very small fragment. You can invest 100 rupees also and you can buy a very small fragment of this Bitcoin. As low as or minimum to minimum 100 rupees also you can invest and you can start your cryptocurrency investment journey. The sixth point to remember is be very cautious of scam happening in this market, because cryptocurrency is a decentralized currency. Even the government doesn't have control over this type of cryptocurrency, and as a result of that there will be very high chances of fraud. One of such fraud is pump and dump. In this, what happens, a group of cryptocurrency players, they hype the name of a cryptocurrency that is very recently launched in the market. They hype the cryptocurrency, they increase the value of the cryptocurrency. Once people see that this cryptocurrency also is getting hyped, or this cryptocurrency is also gaining momentum in the market, people start investing in such new cryptocurrencies, and after some time the cryptocurrency value or the price collapses and it crashes. So people who have invested in such kind of very new cryptocurrency, they lose their money. So all the investors, make sure that you are also aware of such kind of scams. And the seventh point to remember is how internet has changed our life, how internet has made us more digital. These days we buy everything online. We are buying furnitures, home, house, flat, land, gold, everything online, right? So people who understand digitization, they will also understand how cryptocurrencies are going to change the world, change the trading industry in future. Many of the research paper or many of the market experts say that all the younger generation, most of the younger generation are investing in cryptocurrency. And yes, cryptocurrency is a good thing, but again, do not invest everything in cryptocurrency. Only a small part that will not affect you if the cryptocurrency market crashes also. Now one thing, I have also invested in cryptocurrency. Now people, let me know, do you want me to make more cryptocurrency videos and make a separate playlist on cryptocurrency? If yes, then comment below this video what is your suggestion. And that was all about this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and comment below. Share this video with your friends. Let them also get interested to invest, plan something to invest in cryptocurrency. So that was all about this video, and I will see you in the next video. All you people who want to learn about business ideas, you can click this playlist. If you are a job seeker and want to learn about job and career, then you can definitely click on this playlist and watch all my videos. You will learn many things.